35 to 40 and creates more jobs for our people. Cotton, the shirts I always put on are from our cotton. The shirt I'm putting on right now is from our cotton with polyester added from outside. You Ugandans, please help us to get rid of imported clothes, including dead people's clothes. Engoye z'abafu zemuleeta wano zemuyita second hand. Engoye z'abafu Banyankole bazita mtwijuro. We scorn the US dollars 418 million per year on imported cloth. Phase 5 has been the introduction of the knowledge economy. This is the economy that is not just based on more processing of the mere processing of the raw materials. It involves the greater use of science and skills. This is where the automobiles industry is, the vaccines, the vaccine making, the assembling and manufacturing of computers and computer parts. That's where they come in. Our economy was US dollars 3.9 billion in 1986. It is now US dollars 55 billion. It has been growing at the rate of 6.3% per year for the last 38 years. We are now a lower middle income country with the GDP per capita of US dollars 1,154. Therefore, the groups that have been misinforming the public recently about the parasitic agencies that we are rationalizing, especially coffee, are a disgrace to the country. I even feel embarrassed to participate in the controversy. Mpura n'okuswala. Eggwanga lyonna okubeerawo boogala ku bitaliimu. Mmwanyi. That's why I've called all these people to help you understand. Kiswaza n'okuswaza okusanga awo abantu baguumalidde mu bitaliimu eby'omugaso n'obyerabira. How could anybody who wants Uganda to grow spend even 1 week, let alone the 7 years we have spent on this subject, on this issue, discussing such an obvious issue? This sentence is mixed up. We shall sort it out. Suppose we had only coffee with our wonderful UCDA. How would the country survive? Because you see, coffee. Now suppose, okay, let's say, we now say, okay, thank you very much. Let's only do coffee. Kubanga UCDA, now another people are saying, coffee. We only do coffee. Now, suppose we did that. How could the country survive? With a population of 46 million, each person needs 2,000 calories per day. Kubanga abasayansi basobola okubala petrol y'omubiri gye gwetaaga peteroli in the form of calories, bazita calories mu luzungu, eziva mu mmere, coming from food. And they are saying that an adult person needs 2,000 calories per day. With 46 million people, we would need 550,000 metric tons of wheat to feed ourselves.